Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, happy Louis Vuitton Day. You know what that means. I'm going to share to you the latest and up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. And you know our practice here, I'm going to share everything that you need to know from the product names, prices, SKU, product features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones or laptop to take a screenshot for your reference. And for orders and availability, kindly check with your CAs. So please make sure you stay until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, kindly like and share this video. I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramerified2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so let us discuss the continuation of the Cruise Spring Summer 2026 collection. First, we have the Speedy 25 trunk. So this would be launching November 14th. So this one is like the mill floors pattern. This is done via screen printing technique. So material is cowhide leather with sheepskin trim. It comes of course with double zip and it comes with detachable leather strap. So next on the Cruise collection, so we have the Express PM. Price is 4,750 USD. So the colorway of this one is like a lilac colorway. So as you can see, the interior is reverse monogram canvas. It comes with detachable key pouch, padlock. The size of this one is 26 centimeters by 13 by 17 centimeters. That is length, width, and height. Next on the collection, so we have the Petite Malle. So this one is priced at 4,750 USD. So the material is embroidered fabric with cowhide leather lining. So this one, of course, as you can see, it comes with the embellished stones. So if you are looking for a collector's piece from LV, so you may want to check out this very beautiful embellished Petite Malle from the Cruise 2026 collection. And then we have the very beautiful Speedy 25 silhouette. Price of this one is 4,800 USD. Material is cowhide leather with cowhide leather lining. Colorway of this one is Arizona. Detachable leather strap. So how do you feel? Guys, comment down below. What do you feel about the silhouette creation of LV? So another silhouette would be the side trunk. So price of this one is 5,050 USD. So same material. So I love the slouchy cowhide leather material with cowhide leather lining. It has the same colorway, which is the Arizona. It comes with detachable leather strap. So this is how it looks like when you're going to wear it as a crossbody. Next on the collection, how gorgeous is the Alma PM silhouette. Price of this one is 4,550 USD. So as you can see, the colorway of this one is white. Same material, cowhide leather with cowhide leather lining. It comes of course with detachable leather strap and it comes with lock and key set as well. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the collection, so let us discuss another beautiful Express PM. Price of this one is 4,300 USD. We have SKU here. So the material is cowhide leather with monogram canvas trim, as we could see. So the monogram canvas trim are the clochettes, the straps that is fully detachable, and it comes with detachable canvas strap as well. Next on the collection, so we have the Express Nano. This one, guys, is super cute. You are going to see. As you can see, I think this is also the same size as the Nano Speedy. The length of this one is 23 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. So this interior, of course, is the monogram canvas print, and then of course the main material is cowhide leather with cowhide leather trims. Next on the collection, so we have, so let us discuss the calfskin material of the Alma Trunk BB. So this one price is 4,250 USD. So the colorway of this collection, mini collection from the Cruise 2026 is monogram Saga Noir. As you can see, the main material is calfskin leather with calfskin leather trims. I love the detachable chain that it comes with and the trunk detail. Another from the monogram Saga Noir collection from Cruise 2026. So we have the pochette sling size PM. So how chic is this one? So I love that it comes with detachable silver chain strap. So of course you could wear this one as a shoulder bag, and also you could clutch this one. And I love the S-lock feature, and I love the scrunch feel of this bag. Then of course we have the Speedy trunk size 20. So price of this one is 4,100 USD. Colorway is the monogram Saga Noir. So of course, the main material is calfskin leather, and it comes with calfskin leather trim. So this is how you're going to wear it. Maybe as a shoulder bag. Of course, you could carry it as a top handle like this. Guys, raise your hand. Comment below if you love this monogram Saga Noir collection. Next, guys, we have the Chunky. So this is how you're going to wear it. So it comes with 4 grommets, just like with the Chanel Classic flap. So you could adjust the flap, so you could make the strap longer and wear it as a crossbody bag, and you could wear it as a shoulder bag. So this is the interior. This one definitely is a big yes for the Cruise 2026 runway collection. So next on the collection, let us go back to the biker size MM. Price of this one is 4,700 USD. We have SKU here. So I love the colorway of this one, which they are calling Pixel Carmine. So material is calfskin leather with calfskin leather trims, black detachable leather strap as we could see here, and this one comes with gold hardware. And then of course, next we have the Express size MM. So price of this one is 4,500 USD. So this is how you're going to wear it. It actually kind of reminds me of a slouchy Speedy. So they have just removed the top handle and they have changed it to the monogram canvas straps. As you are going to see, the interior as well is like monogram canvas print. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a credit card emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!